In life's grand design, I've seen many people, each unique in their line. Some revel in the great outdoors, while others toil survival their course. Some find joy within their home, content in solace, never alone. Some thrive among a crowd so vast, cherished in moments that swiftly pass. Recognition and fame some eagerly seek, others fall to vices, life paths bleak. Smoking, though harmful, gives them ease, searching for comfort despite disease. Living life, there are many ways. I'm just grateful for my living days. Health is my priority, my body my own. Choosing life, making sacrifices known. Settling with my wife, our focus clear. We face the world without fear. Friends may come and friends may go. We are our own best friends, hearts aglow.